Zayed here. Welcome back to another episode of Detailing in Revit. Okay, in the previous class we were able to create beam within slabs and beam around slabs using the area method of reinforcement. Okay, but I noticed some errors I did in the previous class. You see here, let's go to this level too. I noticed some errors I did. You see, the distance from here to here is too small for me to add a reinforcement here and a reinforcement beam here and a reinforced beam here. So let me just show you the distance. The distance is very small compared to what is supposed to be. Without the reinforcement, without the beam, this floor or this slab is going to stand very correctly and there will be no problems. There is nothing that is going to make this building collapse. Okay, so in normal sense, all this reinforcement here, including this and this, is not applicable. My building can stand even if I don't have this, but at least we have noticed something. You know how to do this, but in terms of requirements or standards, some buildings you have to know the details of buildings. You see, you can, if you're going to reinforce a residential building, is different from that of a commercial building because of the level of occupancy. The level of occupancy determines the level of reinforcement. A commercial building consists of many people, so many people have many load, which is the workload. Sorry, I'm trying to go into school issues. So in normal sense, many weight, many reinforcement, and less weight, less reinforcement. It's just basics. It's just simple basic arithmetic. So in this kind of issue, I have a lot of reinforcement on this building. It doesn't make sense if a structural engineer just pick up your design and just see you have all this reinforcement scattered all over your building. What is really happening? He will ask you. So if you have any explanation for that, or if the client has a lot of money, he wants to waste all his money on reinforcement, do so. Okay, so but me, I think it's best if I delete this and I delete this. So just one basket and a boxed tie beam, which is around the slab with a basket reinforcement, is enough and capable of withstanding all the small loads within this building, because this building doesn't have a lot of load. Why is that? We have only one kitchen, one living room, and one bedroom. So from this basic information, you know that the number of people that will occupy this building is nothing more than 2 or 3, maximum 3, because it's a single bedroom flat, a very tiny mini house. Okay, so some things you need to take note before you design. You need to take note of a lot of things before designing, because it was done design just like that. You design based on a concurrent standard. Oh, I pressed on it without even checking. Okay, and now let's see, offset it by 250 and hit an enter. So just select from here. It's going to work all the way to data, please, and say finish. Okay, so and this one, let me just edit this, delete it, And now from here all the way to this place, okay, and line to from here to this place and all the way to the top. So trim corner to extend, trim corner to extend, and finish it up. So this is quite capable of holding this building to the maximum load you want. Okay, this building is going to stand very okay without any problem with this kind of reinforcement. So the next thing is I want to create, next thing is I want to make this wall here as my column to support this huge reinforcement basket, if I may call it that. Okay, so what you have to do is select, and now something with it to the flow, change it to structural and apply here area. Okay, so pick line, just pick line, pick line. And the other one, this. Okay, here. And now let's finish it up. You see we have something like this, and change this. I think it should be the minor. Yeah, it is the minor, and hit on apply. So we have this for our reinforced wall holding up to our building, hugging up. You see it's hugging up to the basket flow. All right, so I have this, and now let's try seeing it in section view. Go to view, change it to hidden line. So you see this, we have something like this. You can see we have something like this. This top one here is that of the one going around. This one here is that of the basket. Okay, but this one is for the beam around. So you know, I don't know what is wrong with Revit. It's showing me not as wireframe level at hidden line, is showing me the one behind, the one all the way behind. So in terms of this, we're going to definitely clean up this design very good. We're going to clean it, we're going to clean this section up very well in order to get our result out. But for this course here today, I'm not going to do that because this is a lot of work and the time is really not long. I'm not going to do so. Here, let me just prep up my scene. I'll just prep up the scene to make it ready for render. Okay, I'm going to make it ready because I'm going to also render this design out. Should I start from here? I think from here should be okay. Should be much more better. And somewhere here, I'm getting a line tool. Good. Trim corner to extend. I would like to have a swimming pool. Okay. A pool here, right in front of the house, like a cooling system to cool down the environment. And I would like to have a tree somewhere here. A tree, let's say a very small tree. Okay. Delete. Finish it up. So this is not, this one is at level 2. I don't want that. I want it to be at flow level, I guess. Yeah, it says it overlaps. I know. Okay, so this is a 400 mm. This is a 400 mm flow, so I would like to base offset it by minus 400 and say apply. Right. No, it's not 400 mm, it's 300 mm. Okay, minus 300. I need an apply. Okay, that's nice. Realistic, because I would like to be seeing it very clearly. This is like that. I would like to this flow here. Oh, so sorry. I like to align it to this place. This one to this one. Yeah, I'll finish. Okay, I would like it to be this way, and need to change this, duplicate, and I want it to be 1005, a meter and a half. Okay, yeah, it's quite okay by me. Go to level 2. I don't want my walls to be at level 2. I want it to be on my superstructure. Now select on wall, center line superstructure. 2700, it should be okay. Nice. I'm good. And perfect. That is okay by me. I have something like this. This one, just drag it a bit downwards. I don't really care about the depth. I don't really care about the depth. Alright, now let me just make it something. Alright, it's the same. Create to superstructure, go to camera. I want to create a camera from about here all the way to somewhere here. Alright, this is okay, this is perfectly okay too, realistic, this is okay too, but I want, let's say, about 2 shots, right? But first let me bring this a bit closer, bring it up a bit closer. I think it's okay now. Go to view. Alright, and a bit up, it's way too much, and this way. Yeah, this is okay too. So let me go back to another superstructure. I want, let's say, about 3 or 2 camera setup. Okay, let me make it about this, please. Wow, very serious. Control D, move it a bit this direction. Okay, and let's see if it's within the premises. I want to see this wall. Okay, I don't know, but this is a bit absurd. It's looking okay. I know the reason why it's doing so. Control Z. I think this should work also okay. Yeah, it's going to work okay. Very okay. Go to superstructure again. This is okay for me. The 2 cameras are okay. And now let's go to flow, pick line. Alright, pick line here, 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 and here. And now dream corner to extend. Okay. Alright, so this guy here, I don't know who picked you. Now finish it up, and let's see it in our 3D again. Where is my flow? Where are you? Okay, here you are. Right, I want you to be, in that case, I want you to be at the superstructure, but superstructure minus 400. The tower is minus 200 plus 100 minus 400, and hit on apply. Yeah, I have that distance, or let's make it to be 450 minus 450. Now 400 should be okay. 400 should be okay. Alright, so we're going to stop here for this video. Alright, in the next class, let me see this. No, this is not good. This one is okay, and this one. There are 2 types I have. I'll need to fill out this place a lot. And Not careful. Okay, now see the reason for that, and bring it a bit closer. Let's say go to view. Yep, it's okay. It's very okay. And now let's increase this, please. 100 is even too much for this place. I have 300. I don't know. Minus 100. Okay, huh? I know there's something a bit awkward about this. So in the next class we're going to see how to apply some basic material to this basic layers, sorry, to my walls, so that I can have, let's say, insulation and all that. Okay, so we're going to have a bit of a 3. Going to prepare our scene to make it ready to render in V-Ray, because we're going to use V-Ray renderer, not the basic renderer within our system. We're going to use the V-Ray. Okay, let's see sometime tomorrow for another interesting episode. Please do like, share, subscribe. If you have any question, you can send it in the comment below. I'll definitely answer you. Please, let's see same time tomorrow for another interesting episode. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.